So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable double tap to turn on screen on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to open settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll and select advanced features. Under advanced features, tap on motions and gestures, and then you should see double tap to turn on screen. So currently it's enabled, which is why whenever my screen is off like that, whenever I double tap on it, the screen automatically wakes. However, if you want to disable this feature, then just tap on the toggle next to it to turn it off. And once it's been turned off, again, when the screen is off like that, whenever you double tap, the screen will refuse to turn on, which means that you've successfully disabled the feature. However, if you want to re-enable it so that you have that shortcut whenever it comes to turning on the screen, then just tap on the toggle once and the feature will be turned on again. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.